Emotional healing. After divorce. Support, counseling, and resources you need. Discover emotional healing after divorce with counseling, support groups, and resources to guide you through pain toward new beginnings and hope. Finding emotional healing after divorce. A friendly chat. Hey, I want to share something that's been on my mind lately. Emotional healing after divorce. If you've ever been through it or know someone who has, you already understand how challenging it can be. Divorce isn't just a legal process, it's a deeply emotional journey that reshapes our sense of self and the world around us. Now, healing after a divorce is often overlooked in the rush to move on, but that emotional work is crucial. It's not just about getting through paperwork or custody arrangements. It's about nurturing your heart and mind back to a place of peace, strength, and hope. One thing that really helps is realizing you're not alone in this experience. That's where divorce support groups actually become game changers. When you join a support group, you connect with people who truly get it because they're walking through similar struggles. It's a safe space to share, cry, laugh, and even celebrate small wins, which can feel so isolating otherwise. If you're feeling overwhelmed or stuck, divorce counseling can offer the kind of professional guidance that helps sort through tangled emotions. It's not just about talking. It's about learning tools and strategies to manage grief, anger, or anxiety that might sneak in after a breakup. Think of counseling as emotional maintenance for your mind and soul. And speaking of resources, there's a book I love that really gets into this topic, Brokenness and New Beginnings. It offers powerful stories and practical advice to walk you through the toughest parts of emotional recovery. The beauty of it is how it acknowledges brokenness as part of the healing process. It's not about pretending to be fine, but about embracing where you are and moving forward. Order your copy today to find hope and healing. Besides counseling and support groups, another key piece of divorce healing is giving yourself permission to feel everything. Sometimes people push their feelings aside, maybe thinking it's a sign of weakness or that they should just get over it. But emotional healing only happens when you honor your pain. Take time to grieve. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or confused. Those emotions are natural and part of acknowledging loss. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek out friends, family, or communities that uplift rather than judge. Make self-care a routine. Whether it's exercise, journaling, or simply a walk outside, find ways to reconnect with yourself. One of the hardest parts about divorce, honestly, is rebuilding your identity. When you've been part of a couple for years, it can feel like you've lost a piece of who you thought you were. Divorce assistance often includes coaching or workshops that help people rediscover their passions and purpose post-divorce. And if you ever find yourself doubting whether you'll ever fully recover, remember that healing is not linear. Some days will be harder than others, and that's completely normal. What matters most is that you keep choosing healing over bitterness or hopelessness. So if you or someone you care about is navigating the aftermath of divorce, know this: emotional healing is a journey. It's filled with ups and downs, but with the right support, it will lead to new strength and new beginnings. And again, I can't recommend Brokenness and New Beginnings enough to guide you through this process. Order your copy today and take that first step toward hope, healing, and a fresh start. Remember, seeking divorce help or divorce advice isn't a sign of failure. It's a mark of courage and self-respect. Healing is possible, and a brighter chapter is waiting for you.